Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm checking out the RADDY RF750-Plus, which was sent to me by RADDY. I did a show on the AM band, worked very good on the AM band. I couldn't do a show on the FM band because it worked so good. Everything was like music, so I couldn't show you that. So I did a shortwave scan this morning. It's, let me turn around here. Where's my clock? It's almost 6 a.m. in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. The A index is, stand by. Where do I get the A index? A index is 11. Now, yesterday it was 5. But today it's back up. So you're getting net noise contribution from the sun. And I'm in my office, which has a lot of noise. And you could hear the noise in the background there. That's not the radio's problem. That's just because of the environment in this room. The advantage of using my office is it's on the second floor. So the radio is about 14, 15 feet in the air above sea level or above the ground. We are at 65 feet above sea level. That's why I bought the house here. So we got a lot of noise. So what I did is I took the radio in another room that doesn't have any electronics that I know of running. It still was receiving noise. So apparently the noise is in the wiring of the house, which is 60 years old. So apparently there is less wiring in the garage, which makes sense. So anyway, the radio, when it did the ATS, it received 8 stations, most of which were pretty clear. There were a lot of duplicates. Radio Martini was on several frequencies. So I got, which is what it's on now, 6.030, and it's coming loud and clear. Well, not clear because of the noise in my room. Anyway, gee whiz. Okay, what else was I going to show you? So that's the ATS scan on this radio. I've got large printout of the manual, and I was just going to point out a couple of things. I'm marking up the manual. This thing has a lot of features and a lot of switches, like this top one, which is illuminated green. That's cool. Has multi-functions, depending on what mode you're in. Oh, what did I do with those notes? I'm just getting through this. Oh, I marked how to do an ATS. It's very simple, but I just kept forgetting. You simply, when you're in like FM or shortwave or any band, you just double click this button here and it will start the search. And what's nice about the search, when it finds a station or signal that it likes, it will stop for a second, show you the memory location, and then proceed. So you can kind of monitor as it's searching how it's doing. It has Bluetooth mode. I haven't used Bluetooth mode. It does have a TF card player, which I showed you. And there's one other thing I noted. Oh, setting the backlight. You can, and I mentioned it before, but I want to mention it again because I try to do it every time I do a recording. The backlight can set to off all the time, on all the time, or automatic, which I think it stays on for 5 seconds. Or when you use any of the function keys, it will come on and then go off. That's about it. I really like this radio. I want to thank RADDY for sending me this radio. And if you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If there's anything else you want me to try with this radio, I'd be glad to do it. glad to try to do it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.